Installing Sterling Accord showers. Proper planning is key to achieving a successful installation. All the components packed with your product should be used. Refer to the installation instructions for product-specific information throughout the installation process. Ensure that plumb stud framing is present at the back and front corners. Double studs are necessary at the front corners if a shower door will be installed. Verify that the subfloor is level and meets load-bearing requirements. Plan for future grab bar needs now. If you intend to install grab bars in the future, be sure to order walls with pre-installed backer boards. Do not remove the foam strips attached to the backside of the wall sets. You will need the following tools and materials for this installation. Common tools to include are a pencil, tape measure, square, level, utility knife, and tack hammer. You will also need an assortment of screwdrivers. Power tools to include are a drill with bits and a hole saw. Protective materials to include are a drop cloth if a liner is not included, and safety glasses. Other materials include 100% silicone sealant, a caulk gun, and galvanized or plated truss head screws. Rough in the plumbing and drain outlet. Provide an access panel to all plumbing connections to simplify future maintenance. Refer to the installation instructions for specific roughing in information. If an ADA-compliant installation is required, refer to ADA requirements for bath and shower control locations. For bath or whirlpool installations, we recommend you install a threaded spout pipe after the wall is installed. For best results, we recommend that you install the bath or receptor in a bed of mortar cement. This will not only provide solid support, but will also eliminate the potential for movement and noise when in use. Otherwise, use the felt pad if provided. For whirlpool installations, make sure the power has been disconnected. Install a GFCI-protected 120-volt 15-amp grounded outlet. Install this outlet behind the whirlpool and within 24 inches of the whirlpool pump. Secure the felt pad to the subfloor if one is provided. Center the basin and cut an X in the felt pad at the drain outlet location. Install the drain to the receptor. Refer to the drain manufacturer's instructions. Move the receptor into position. Make sure the receptor is level. If the receptor is not level, shim between the receptor and subfloor. Install plastic attachment clips at each stud location. At the center of the stud, slide the plastic clip between the flange of the receptor and the stud. Secure each clip to a stud with a galvanized or plated screw. If the gap between the clip and stud exceeds 1/8 inch, shim before securing. Repeat this procedure for the remaining plastic clips. Secure the drain fitting to the drain pipe. Refer to the drain manufacturer's instructions. Install the back wall. Engage the tabs on the back wall with the slots in the unit Mark hole locations for the faucet components on the end wall. Remove the end wall. Determine hole sizes required for faucet components. Make sure the escutcheon, flange, or cover plate will be large enough to cover the drilled holes. Always follow the instructions included with your valve and fittings. Drill holes for the components. Reinstall the wall clip if previously removed. Install the end walls by positioning the end wall top pin into the back wall pivot joint and pivot the wall into its position until the wall clip engages it. Repeat this procedure for the remaining end wall. Make sure the end walls are flush against the top edge of the unit. Make sure the gap between each wall and the top edge of the unit is less than 1/32 inch, or the thickness of a credit card. Starting from the bottom of the end walls and working up, secure the end walls to the studs about every 12 inches. Do not over-tighten the screws. Verify that the walls are plumb before securing to the studs. Add shims between the wall flange and studs prior to securing with fasteners. Install the finished wall material, leaving a 1/8 inch gap between the edge of the wall surround and the finished wall material. When sealed, this gap will reduce the possibility of water seeping into the wall material. Seal the seams between the shower and the finished wall material with 100% silicone sealant. Allow the silicone sealant to cure according to the sealant manufacturer's instructions. Complete the faucet trim and shower door installation. Check for leaks. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for each of these components. Visit the Sterling website for detailed care, cleaning, and warranty information. To order care and cleaning information, call 1-800-783-7546.